Good morning, my dear students. Today we will see how to practice lab programs in your mobile. Android version is available for Maxima. First of all, we will install Maxima in our mobile. Go to Play Store. Type Maxima. Maxima on Android. Click on that and install it. I have already installed Maxima in my mobile. Then open that. Now the screen will be shown. Today we will see how to find out the Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform and how to plot the graph for periodic functions. First we will see how to find out Laplace transform of the given functions. All of you will remember what is the program for Laplace transform. I will revise that. How you find out the Laplace transform? First of all, you have to type the given function. Then the command for Laplace transform is Laplace. First we will see Laplace transform of the function cos 5t minus sin 2t. Cos 5t, type that cos 5t cos 5t minus 3 sin 2t. First of all, type the given function, then enter it. Cos 5t minus 3 sin 2t. After that, type the command for Laplace transform. Laplace of function is f, then t comma s. Now we got the Laplace transform of the function cos 5t minus 3 sin 2t. Similarly, we will find out the Laplace transform of t cube plus 3t square minus 6t plus 8. First of all, type the given function. Our given function is t cube plus 3t square minus 16 plus 8. It is our given function. Then after typing the given function, we have to type the command for Laplace transform, that is Laplace of, then f comma t comma s, then enter that. Now we got Laplace transform of the function t cube plus 3t square minus 6t plus 8. Similarly, we will see one more problem. Find the Laplace transform of sin 5t. Sin 5t into cos 2t. F is sin 5t into cos 2t then find the Laplace transform. For that, Laplace of function is, here we have given f, then t comma s. Now we have seen how to find out the Laplace transform of the given function. Next we will see how to find out the inverse Laplace transform of the given function. All of you will remember that. What is the command for finding inverse Laplace transform? It is ILT. First of all, you should give the given function. After that, you should use the command ILT. First, we will see how to find inverse Laplace transform of s by s plus 4 all square. Then f is s by s plus 4 all square, s plus 4, s plus 4 all square, s by s plus 4 all square. Then next we have to type the command for inverse Laplace transform. It is ILT of function is f. It is the variable in s. Then f comma s comma t. Then enter that. Next we will see another one problem finding inverse Laplace transform itself. It is 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Function is 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 s plus 2. Now in this case, first we have to find out the partial fraction, then only we should find out the inverse Laplace transform. Then to find the partial fraction, the command is part frac of function is f. It is in variable is in s. Then enter that. Then after getting partial fraction, we can find out inverse Laplace transform of f comma s comma s comma t. Similarly, we will see one more problem finding inverse Laplace transform of 2s minus 1 by s square plus 8. Our function is 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1 by s square plus 8, s square plus 8, s square plus 8. In this case, no need of finding out partial fraction. After typing the function, we can use the command ILT of f comma s comma s comma t. Okay. Now we have revised how to find out Laplace transform of the given function and how to find out the inverse Laplace transform of the given function. Next we will see the next lab how to plot the periodic functions. Here we will see the function f of x equal to sin x within the interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. What is the command for that? If we are using wx maxima, we have to use the command wx plot 2d. But here we are using maxima. Then you have to type plot 2d sin x. Our function is sin x. Then within the interval minus 2 pi, x is varies from minus 2 pi. How you write minus 2? Pi means it is the special function. You have to type as percentage pi I. Again 2 pi I. 2 pi I. Then close the bracket, square bracket. Then one more single bracket is there. Close that also. Sin x. Then x is within the interval minus 2 pi I to 2 pi. Then enter that. Now we got the plot also. Like that, all of you practice all the programs in your lab manual. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.